Hello everyone, welcome to the online class. So today I am starting the sum of the series in GP. Okay, sum of the series in GP. Just before this I have done few practical questions regarding geometric progression. Okay, how are you going to find geometric progression? So today we are going to do sum of the series in GP now. Sum of the series. Okay, so there are two formulas to find out the sum of the GP. One is this and another one is this. Okay, so when your common ratio is greater than 1, you have to put this formula, and when your common ratio r is less than 1, you have to put this formula. So the formula is 2. When common ratio is greater, this formula; when less than, this particular formula. Let us solve some questions. Okay, here is the question: find the sum of this series up to the 15th term. Okay, you are asked to find sum of the GP of 15th term and also find the 15th term. So you are asked to find sum of the series, that is 15th term, and again just GP of 15th term. Okay, so let us do it. First, whenever you solve the question, you have to see this particular series is in GP or not. First you have to prove that. Okay, so let us do it. Okay, you know that any term divided by the preceding term should be constant. If that is constant, then this particular series is in GP. Okay, so 2 divided by 1, it will be 2 only. 4 divided by 2, it will be 2. 8 divided by 4, it will be 2. So there is a common ratio. So this particular series is in GP. Okay, so the given series is in GP as r is equal to 2. Common ratio is 2. Since r is greater than 1, you have to put this particular formula. Okay, so we are putting this particular formula, first formula, since r is 2 greater than 1. So let us solve it. So as n is equal to 15, sum of the 15th term you have to find, is equal to a is first term is equal to 1. Okay, in bracket r is 2 to the power n is 15 minus 1. Okay, divided by r is 2 minus 1. Okay, so it will be this one. Okay, 1 to the power 15 minus 1. Okay, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, no need to write. Okay, so when you multiply this to 15 times, it will be this. Okay, it will be when you multiply to 15 times, and when you deduct by 1, it will be like this. So this is sum of the series and sum of the 15 series of GP. Okay, so again you are asked to find what? Find 15 term. So GP, you know the T15 is equal to AR 14. You know the general formula. So is equal to A is 1. You know that. Okay, A is 1 and R is 2 to the power 14. Okay, so when you multiply this to 14 times and multiply into 1, it will be this. So T15 is this. Okay, so you found sum of the 15 series as well as 15 term. Okay, now next question is like this. Find the sum of this series. Okay, this is the series given. Okay, 1 minus 3 9 like this up to 9 term. You are asked to find sum of this series. Okay, so first you have to see solution whether this series is in GP or not. Okay, so minus 3 divided 1, it will be minus 3 only. 9 divided minus 3, it will be minus 3. Minus 27 divided by 9, it will be minus 3 only. So your common ratio is minus 3. So all ratio is minus 3. So this particular series is in GP because there is a common ratio. Okay, so here A is 1. You know first term. R is common ratio is minus 3, which is less than 1. So when your R is minus 1, you have to put second formula. Okay, this formula. R, when R is minus less than 1, you have to put this formula. Okay, and n is your 9. Okay, 9 term. Okay, let us do. question. Sn is equal to this particular formula you are using. Okay, as n is 9. Okay, so a is first term is 1, in bracket 1 minus r is minus 3 to the power 9, n is 9, divided by 1 minus r is minus 3. Okay, so again 1 r minus 3 to the power 9 divided by 1 minus plus 3. Okay, so then 1, then into 1 minus you, when you multiply 3 9 times, it will be this minus 19683 in bracket divided by 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Okay, then 1 you multiply inside, it will be what? 1 into 1 1. Okay, minus plus. Okay, so plus this thing, so 1 into plus this thing is equal into this, it will be this divided by 4. Okay, so further 1 plus this is equal to this 19684 divided by 4, so it will be this. So this is as 9, sum of the 19th term of GP is 4921. Okay, so simple. You have just remember r is greater than 1 or r is greater than 1 or less than 1. According to, you have to put formula and you have to find sum of the series. Hope you understood this. Thank you very much.